Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.